Good morning to all. Today I shall explain about heat and temperature. Heat is a form of energy. It transits from high temperature of a body to low temperature of a body. Heat is denoted by the letter capital Q. The Celsius unit of heat is calorie. The SI unit of heat is joule. Heat is measured by calorimeter. Heat is a cause. Temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness is called temperature. It is denoted by the letter capital T. The Celsius unit of temperature is degree Celsius or Fahrenheit. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Temperature is measured by thermometer. Temperature is an effect. What are the difference between heat and temperature? Heat is a form of energy. It transits from high temperature of a body to low temperature of a body. The degree of hotness or coldness is called temperature. Heat is denoted by letter Q. Temperature is denoted by the letter T. Heat is a cause. Temperature is an effect. Heat is measured by calorimeter. Temperature is measured by thermometer. Next one, different scales of temperature. There are mainly four types of scales of temperature. First one is Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, Kelvin scale, Reaumur scale. Celsius scale. Celsius scale was devised by Anders Celsius in the year 1710. On this scale, ice point is taken as 0 degrees Celsius and steam point is taken as 100 degrees Celsius. Total parts in Celsius scale is 100 equal parts. Each part is corresponds to 1 degree Celsius. Fahrenheit scale. This scale was devised by Gabriel Fahrenheit in the year 1717. On this scale, ice point is taken as 32 degree Fahrenheit and steam point is taken as 212 degree Fahrenheit. Total parts on this scale is 180 equal parts. Each part is corresponds to 1 degree Fahrenheit. Kelvin scale. This scale was devised by Lord Kelvin. On this scale, ice point is taken as 273 Kelvin and steam point is taken as 373 Kelvin. Total parts 100 equal parts. Each part is corresponds to 1 Kelvin. Reaumur scale. This scale was devised by H.A. Reaumur in the year 1730. On this scale, ice point is taken as 0 degree Reaumur and steam point is taken as 80 degree Reaumur. Total parts in 100 equal parts. Normal human body temperature 98.4 degree Fahrenheit or 36.9 degree Celsius. The relationship between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale, C by 100. C by 100 is equal F minus 32 by 180. This is the relationship between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Normal human body temperature 98.4 degree Fahrenheit or 36.9 degree Celsius. Normal human body temperature is measured by thermometer.